Hi, I'm Colleen with Vernier Science Education. Today I want to introduce you to the GoDirect air quality sensor and show you just how easy it is to get up and running in your classroom. The air quality sensor is designed to measure the invisible gases and particles that affect the air we breathe, both indoors and outdoors. Let's start with a quick tour of the hardware so you know exactly what you're working with. On the front, you will find the power button right here. Just press it once to turn the sensor on. Next to it, you will see the sensor warm-up LED. When this glows orange, that says the sensor is still warming up and preparing to measure. Once it turns a solid green, you're ready to go and collect data. Now, if it ever turns a solid red, that's a signal that you need to contact Vernier support, as the sensor does need some attention. Below that, we have the battery charging LED. Solid orange means it's charging. Solid green means the charge is complete. The LED located here is for the Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS. A green light means the sensor has a satellite signal, and this allows you to geotag your data. And this LED here is for Bluetooth. You'll see it's flashing red, which means it's waiting to connect. Once it turns green, that means it's connected to graphical analysis and ready to go. Over here, we have our USB port. This here is used for charging and for wired connections to a computer or a Chromebook. On the front of the sensor, you'll also find our ozone, sulfur dioxide, and nitrous dioxide sensors here. These are the electrical chemical sensors on the sensor that need just that little bit of warm-up time before they're ready. Here we have our pressure sensor, and at the lower part here is where we'll find where our particulate matter, carbon dioxide, VOC index, and temperature readings are measured. It's quite a lot that's packed into one little device. And then finally, on the back of the sensor, this is where you're going to find the sensor ID number. This is important because you'll use this to identify your sensor when connecting to our data collection app, Vernier Graphical Analysis. Now, let's look at what the sensor actually measures before we connect it. We'll be using graphical analysis, which you can access right in your Chrome browser. No installation required. First, open Chrome, and now go to graphicalanalysis.app. From the new experiment screen, tap Sensor Data Collection. Then click on Wireless. Click on the sensor ID number that matches the ID on the back of the sensor. Click Pair, and just like that, you see the LED on the sensor turns green, and now you're connected. Once connected, click Sensor Channels to choose which parameters you want to measure. The default view shows PM 2.5, carbon dioxide, and temperature. But you are able to turn on additional channels on or off depending on the type of experiment you want to do and what parameters you want to measure. Click Done, and Graphical Analysis loads your default data collection setup, and you're ready to start measuring. That's it. Once your warm-up LED turns green, you're ready to start collecting real data. To learn more about the GoDirect air quality sensor, visit our website.